everyone, welcome to my channel Dentist Mom, everything dental, parenting and my life in general. So today we are going to talk about bleeding gums. That is one of the very common problems we all face every day. What are the causes of bleeding gums? Well, the first and the foremost cause is gum diseases. The most common of all is gingivitis and periodontitis. Gingivitis is inflammation of gums and periodontitis is an advanced disease of gums and jaw bones. So what happens is that plaque gets accumulated in these cases and that leads to bleeding gums. Now the second reason for bleeding gums is ill-fitting dentures or any other appliance. Any ill-fitting denture or any ill-fitting appliance will lead to accumulation of plaque and hence bleeding gums. Third reason can be improper brushing. Now improper brushing as in brushing really hard or in an improper way. That means your technique is wrong. That can lead to bleeding gums. Fourth reason is improper flossing, or you are very new to flossing. As in you have just started flossing. So initially your gums will bleed, but then they should stop bleeding. But if it doesn't stop, that means your flossing technique is improper. Hence you should consult your dentist. Now the fifth reason for bleeding gums is stress. Apparently, stress can slow down recovery in your body from anything and everything. As in, bleeding gums will definitely increase if you are stressed out. Now, sixth reason for bleeding gums is poor oral hygiene. That goes without saying. If you are not maintaining your oral hygiene, your gums are going to bleed because of the accumulation of plaque. Now there are certain miscellaneous reasons also for bleeding gums, such as pregnancy, which leads to hormonal changes and hence bleeding gums, vitamin K and vitamin C and vitamin K deficiency, certain bleeding disorders such as hemophilia or oral cancer, which can all lead to bleeding gums. So you should consult your dentist. If you have if your gums are bleeding, you should definitely consult your dentist, and you should realize what is the reason of your bleeding gums and get it treated. Yeah, that is it for today. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is given in the description box. See you in my next video. Till then,